We have Carderpio, symbol ADA versus the dollar, and what do we have? We have another lower high, and we have lower lows. Tell him what he's won. He's won a downtrend down to fucking Goblin Town. Target probably somewhere down around like, more, short term probably like 190. Probably another bounce right there around 190. Assuming that the bounce fails to get above 230, I would be looking for continuation. Alongside a Bitcoin breakdown into like the 160 to 170 territory. Again, heavily bearish as long as you're below about 232. Above 232, I actually would change my opinion on this one. So there's always an invalidation, as always, there has to be. And I would be looking for moves back up to 260 to 270. But for right now, this thing is not looking like the picture of health and fitness. Even the daily jewel is already given up. Its curvature right there is never supported by the DMI anyways. And the volatility signature was also not appropriate for anything more than just a short and anemic bounce, of which we did get. This one is setting up for continuation. Let's go check out benchmark is over here, and then we'll go through the lower term timeframes and see if there's anything specifically different. Different 4-hour Stokes remained at the downside as long as below 217. So this one is trending right now. Again, probably be looking at a move somewhere down around about low $2 before the next bouncy bounce. Daily is going to freshly cross down with the closure below 218.5. Not fucking good. If that happens, again, I'd be looking for somewhere between about 2 to 190 or so before the next decent sized bounce. 12-hour also freshly down as long as below 233. Hourly is going to be well, that's technically up right now. There you go. You got an hourly bounce. Anyways, go over here. Yeah, this is just this is a bearish setup, sir. Look, I always want to offer up some hoping on the other side, but hoping for this one's not until this thing gets back above about 233 to 235 or so. Until then, the trend is your friend, man. It doesn't need to be any more complicated than that. And well, Goblin Town is a very nice place. I've actually seen The Hobbit recently, and apparently there's a ring in a cave over there too. So hopefully that was helpful. And there you go for Cardano.